Yeah, hello, good day. My name is Prince Yemi Kasali. In this training, we'll be talking about how to trade with tag markets, making use of their copy trading. So, as an affiliate from um, XFusion, all I need to do is just to log into my normal tag market account. Okay, and the next thing is to go to copy X. Okay, so from copy X, we'll be seeing a lot of traders here. So we'll be seeing a lot of traders here. So as you can see, we have Sonic, which has made an entire profit of plus 62%, and we have Neo, which have made an entire profit of 38 percent. Okay, but note. They are not mates. They didn't start at the same time. Okay, so we have Phantom here, which ROI is just a plus 3.59. Excuse me. We have Dynamix, or yeah, and the ROI is minus 73.54. Okay. Okay, and this one is also minus. I keep wondering why they are minus. See, they fell. So, mm, they fell. Okay, okay. Most strategies from this trader. Okay, mm, okay. Sniper. Okay, good rush. Good rush also gave us 100 and this. So let me see. Mm, good rush. Okay. And these guys are starting from they started from January. So I don't even copy people away from those that we know would give us what we want. So I'm only telling you that we have a lot of traders here. So, but we prefer this and this. This is more secured, very, very secure, extremely secure. The profit level is very low compared to this. But it's not as if the profit level here is also high, but at least it's stable. It secure our capital, and at the same time, it gives us profits of between 30 to 85% of our own capital monthly, and that makes sense. So, while this gives a very low percent of about 10 to 15, or let's say 10 to 20% of your capital every month, while this gives about 30 to 85% every month. So I stay with this nil, although you can copy the two. Okay, and I'll also explain how you can do that. Now we are here. The next thing is to click on details at the bottom of who you want to copy. So please make sure you copy the right person. Okay, then after that, I'll click on next. Okay, so after doing this, no matter, okay, it depends. How much have you deposited? Because you must have deposited before you copy someone. So, how much have you deposited? Probably you deposit $100. You can decide to put in $50 here, or put in $70 or $75. That means you can just do parts of what you want, you have, and use another copy trader to do the remaining. So it's left to you. So here, the minimum you can put here is 10. So I'm putting 10 just to tell you the minimum. Okay. Stay signed in now. Okay. He's asking me if I want to stay in. Okay, the minimum is 10, so I'm putting 10. Then the type of account, you leave the amplifier alone because it's amplify. Then you come here, and click that arrow. So you click the arrow, then you put in the code, The code is hash new. Now note whether you are copying anybody you are copying. So far we are doing this from XFusion. Just put this hash new. So verify, and that's done. Then you come here again and put 6 zeros. Zero in 6 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you click submit, and that's submitted. Okay, then you come here and click this. Then this would highlight, and you click copy now. So I'll click on this, I'll click on this, then I'll click copy now. There is no fund in this account, so there's no need to click copy now. So immediately you click copy, you are in. That's it. You've started trading. Anytime those guys trades, your your account would also keep trading. So you get profit when they're getting profit. So you can also go back and probably go for Sonic. Okay. I put in details, the same thing here. Connects. Okay. Then put in $10 again. Depending on what you have, you might divide it into two places. That means for these two guys. Then I click the arrow. I still put in the hash. Okay, new. I'll verify, then put in the 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Submit. Then come here. I have read. I acknowledge. Then you copy. So you click copy now. So while new is trading, Sonic will also be trading. So no matter what or who you are copying, you're using the same code. Thank you very much. God bless you for following. My name remains Prince Yemi Kasali. Bye for now.